Okay, so the next step is to um, put the place where Cabal has installed Idris onto the path of the system, and that can be done with this command here. Okay, so once we've typed this, then since we've made this Idris file, we can go to the directory where it's in and run idris myid.idr, and here it is. And if we run, we find that that X is indeed well defined. So this is running this Idris now, so we can quit this. And there we have it. We've installed Idris. All we have to do now is get the VS Code working with it. So we Google Idris VS Code, and this is telling us what to do. So we open VS Code. And extensions, there's an Idris extension. Let's install it. And now I think we have the proper highlighting. It's looking very good. So we want to open the terminal as well. So let's go to the right directory. And now let's run this. Well, we'll save this code. There we go. And now we'll go Idris my id.idr. Huh. That's strange. It worked over here. Anyway, it does work over here, so that's fine. So if we now do F5, we get 25 because we've written the code here. So we can write the code here and run it in here, and we basically have Idris working. Now the next thing I'm going to do is go to my GitHub page. So I'm going to this learning Idris CT thing, and I want to clone this code. So I copy that. Now let's quit out of here. And let's do git clone, and then we'll paste this. So now I'll go to this new directory. And if we just type code, that should open, well, it will open this particular folder. And here we are. And now we've got this categories code here. And this is what we've been interested in. I don't know, can I run this through the terminal? I suspect not. Let's try. Oh, I can. Ah, okay, that's good. Right. So in fact I can run it, but I have to go into the right folder. So I have to go cd Idris. Huh. Weird. Oh, I just spelt it wrong. Has to have a capital C. Great, okay. And so now we can go down here and I can go my first arrow and run it, and everything works well.